Namaskar and good morning. Today we'll take a look at another reasonably successful rice exporter, Chaman Lal Setia Exports, with reference to their Q1 FY21 results review. Chaman Lal Setia Exports Limited. It does milling and processing of raw rice and basmati rice. The product portfolio includes Maharani basmati rice, parboiled, that is converted or muzza basmati rice, raw and polished basmati rice, basmati health rice. The management includes Chamanlal Setia as chairman and managing director, Rajiv Setia as whole-time director and CFO, Vijay Setia, Sukan Setia, Ankit Setia as whole-time directors. So entirely in the Setia family. Now let us look at the quarterly results. The net sales for Q1 is 244 crores. Previous quarter Q4 of last year 223 crores and Q1 of last year 207 crores. So therefore there is a increase of 17.89% year on year and 9.31% quarter on quarter. Then raw material consumption, traded goods, depreciation, all other things are normal. Nothing great about it. Interest cost also is very nominal. Actually, it has come down in the latest quarter from 2 crores to 1.5 crores. So it has come down. So then now we'll go to net profits. Net profits are 25 crores. Previous quarter 20.6 crores only, and last year same quarter 6.51 crores. So from 6.51 crores to 25 crores, it's a big jump. 284% jump year on year. Is it not great? It is. What will happen next quarter is a different thing. But current quarter it has done wonderfully in terms of net profits. Net profits have gone up by 284 crores and year on year and 21.61 crores quarter on quarter. Market price is around 100 rupees. Price earning is low at 5. Volumes are reasonably good, 79,000. So buying and selling is easy. 52-week low was 24 rupees. 52-week high is 109 rupees. Now it is around 500 rupees. Face value is 2 rupees. On a 2 rupees face value, basic EPS is 4.84. It is reasonably good. Now let us also take a look at the annual performance. 5 years back, in year ended March 16, the sales was 482 crores. Now it is in the latest year ended March 20, it is 797 crores. In each year there was improvement in between. From 482 crores to 797 crores in 5 years it has jumped. In yearly installments, every year there was improvement. That is good. Net profit also from 37 crores to 52 crores in 5 years. There was a gradual progression. So its strengths include high trailing 12 months EPS growth, we have seen. Net profit and net profit margin have been increasing quarter on quarter and year on year. Low debt, zero promoter pledge. Profits are increasing every quarter, revenue is increasing every quarter, that's good. FIIs are increasing their stakeholding, operating profit and operating profit margin also are improving. ROCE is improving. Price earning is low. Price earning is low for several reasons, but if market takes a good view of Chamanlal Sethia Exports, price earning can improve in the coming quarters. So from 52-week low, it has improved to 52-week high fantastically. Now, if you look at technical rating on a monthly basis, it is very bullish. The chart has had gone down to its low point in April 2020. I have said in an earlier video, in April 2020, the all prices had gone to the bottom, rock bottom. Whoever had purchased in April 20 are fortunate. Now it may not come again like that. July 20 onward, of course, April 20 onwards, upward journey has started. But July 20 onwards, it is really good upward. But if you look at 5-year chart, the 5-year chart is dismal, not any great progress. Valuations are market cap 516 crores, price earning for last year 7.28, book value as at March 20, 52.82, price to book is 1.89. Now if you look at the action in Chamanlal Sethia Exports, on many days it is buyers only, on a few days it is sellers only, both are there. But it has performed well in the latest quarter, that has to be agreed. Now if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters have got a huge 73.87% of the total. Public have got 20.66. Okay, reasonable. Pledge is 0, that is good. FIAs have got a small holding 0.32, DIAs 5.16, etc. But promoters have got the huge 73.87, very heartwarming. Pledging is nil. Mutual funds 0. Mutual funds have not yet taken a look at the Chamanlal Sethia Exports, though it has been improving during the last 5 years. Price has not been improving. Price has been improving only recently. Now, if you look at per share ratios, book value is around 53, dividend per share is 1, face value is 2 rupees, return on net worth is 19, ROCE, return on capital employed is 24%. Reasonably good. Return on assets is 12%. It is improving. Return on assets is 12% is also good. Debt equity ratio, there is no debt. So interest coverage ratio huge, 11. Growth ratio, 3 years CAGR sales, 3 years CAGR net profit, 12. Now Chamanlal Sethia is a growing company. It is in exports. But what is the level of export partner? Now 2-3 companies are there, LT Foods is there, so many other companies are there who are exporting basmati rice. Now all are exporting. In India, consumption seems to be rather low. I don't know why. Basmati rice consumption should improve. Indians should improve their taste. So, but it will happen. So, Chamanlal Sethia is a good bet. The market has not yet taken a great look at it. That is true. That is why prices are low. Price earning is also low. But when market takes a good look at Chamanlal Sethia Exports, prices will improve a lot. Now, long-term investors can definitely take a look at Chamanlal Sethia Exports. Thank you. I'll be back with you with another attractive proposition.